Okay, now we will move to the first uh, literary school or critical theory that we will start with in this course, which is Marxism or the Marxist theory. What's meant by the title Marxism or Marxist theory? First of all, we have to know that Marxist approach of literature is based on the philosophy of Karl Marx. Karl Marx is the founder of this school. He is German philosopher and economist. Uh, you know that this man or this critic tried to, let's say, make a relation between the economic and social perspectives with literature. He tries to make a relation between the economic and the social, um, let's say, principles in literature. He means that socio-economic aspect is the most important perspective, let's say factor, element in any literary work. So if we want to see the relation between Marxism and literature, and if we want to read a work from a Marxist perspective, how can I judge any literary work from the Marxist perspective or from the Marxist point of a view? We have to understand that Marxism asserts that literature is a reflection of culture. It is a very important point that Marxism is a reflection of culture. يعني هو انعكاس ثقافة المجتمع. We will see this in literature. So culture can be influenced by literature. Marxists believe that literature can, let's say, investigate revolution. And we have here the areas of the Marxist study: the economic power, القوة الاقتصادية, materialism versus spirituality. They believe that materialism is the most important factor in this life. They believe in the power of the class and the impact of the class conflict. We mean the upper class, the middle class, and the lower class. And they study the arts, literature, and the different ideologies in the society or in any culture. So we can conclude that Marxism has a very strong relation with the economy and the social perspectives in any society. So they believe that the economic and the social factors are the most important elements that may affect or influence any literary text. يعني العلاقة الاجتماعية والاقتصادية هي رابط مهم جدا، وهي مؤثر كبير ومؤشر لتحليل أي عمل أدبي. هذا عشان أنتم تستوعبوا الموضوع أكثر. So these are the areas of the Marxist study and the most important, let's say, principles of this school. It's an introduction. Try to see the definition of Marxism. Try to read about Karl Marx. What are the main subject that he dealt with, and who is Karl Marx? Thank you for listening. And at last, these are the most important subjects that we will deal with and discuss in our next lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.